Avion, military touch.
Hello, Earthlings. How are you doing? My name is DJ Tamuka, aka The Magician. This is my very first review. It's my beat review. So, I'm gonna need interaction here. So, what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna be commenting. Put your comments down below, and please recommend what you want me to review. So, there's a few guys that were asking me, how did you make the beat for Kanji? It was a collaboration Riddim with me and Levels Productions from Chill Spot and Military Touch Movement, and I myself, DJ Tamuka. So Levels hit me up. He's like, bro, let's make a Riddim. And I was like, you'll come through, and then he came through. We started working on the beat. He did most of the recordings and technical stuff afterwards. So I'm gonna walk you through the whole production process, how I did this beat and how we incorporated different plugins and different instruments. It's a really simple beat. It's a really simple piece of art. It doesn't have a lot of stuff in it. So this is mainly for producers and all the technical guys that need to know how this session was made. So this is the first episode. The second episode, I'm going to be covering the vocal recordings. Hopefully, I'll get Levels to come in the studio so we can go through it together. So basically, this is how it was like. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notifications button so we can send you notifications whenever I do something new. So producers and geeks, here we go. First thing was Omnisphere. Yeah, this is a plugin by called Omnisphere. If you don't know it, if you know it, most people have it already. So yeah, I chose a choir. It's called Boys Choir. E is the E. So that's the first instrument I put, and it sounds something like this. It's really short, little notes. So this is the notes. Those are the chords that I had. I just chose a very simple melody. So it goes like this. Really simple. And the next thing that I put on the same channel was this 808. It's called 808 LC 00/2. I don't know where I got this, but most producers have it, especially dancehall producers. They use this a lot. This is your 808. So I put that. Yeah, I'm playing with the octaves. So yeah, so that's it for those two. And if you go to pattern 1, I still have my Omnisphere. Yeah, I just copied it and put it in another pattern. So the next thing that I added was this heat. I called it the heat tam. It's just like how I save my presets. So it's a CRB hit 6. Yeah, it's there in Nexus. It's a native Nexus hit. So it sounds like this. So I doubled it with the same thing, but a bit differently. I'll show you how I did it. So this is more like a brass. So I switched off, you see all these buttons? I switched off all the combinations and I was left with one, which is brassy. So it sounds like that. And then going on to the bass. What I did, I picked up a bass. It's an 808 bass. It's called 808 Hard AF. We know what AF means, mixed. Yeah, so I put, let me show you the mod settings. Yeah, the portamento part, I put it on legato 1/32, so it can bend the way it bends like this. So I'm going to play the bass. This is like my weapon. This is the secret. Very simple. As I told you before, guys, this bit, the trick with this bit is, it's quite simple. It's the simplest bit that it's amazing how simple it is. So that's the bass. Yeah, so if I play everything without the drums, sounds like this. Oh, I skipped something, sorry. There's this Nexus plugin. It's called LD Discotronic. It's a LED It's in my expansion packs. Dance expansion dance volume 2. It's called a discotronic lead, so it sounds like it. You know that major laser vibe. Just had to get that going in there. So everything sounds like this without the drums. Sorry about that. So that's the main pattern. So guys, before we go any further, I would like to appreciate our proud sponsors. The first sponsor we have is Frosty Pops, King of Pops. Frosty Pops, the King of Pops. Yeah, so yeah, that's our major sponsor. Shout out to Quality Gas, our other sponsor, and shout out to you guys, and shout out to Mushroom Media. Yeah, you know the sign. We're out here, and shout out to myself, DJ Tamuka. Just follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, and everything else, all my social media. My handles are right there on the screen. And follow Mushroom Media, and please subscribe to Mushroom Media YouTube right there. Just click the subscribe button and then click the notifications little bell thingy on the screen so that we can send you notifications. This is my first video. We're gonna be doing more videos, so until we meet again, keep it frosty. So everything sounds like this without the drums. Sorry about that. So that's the main pattern. Everything else is coming from this pattern, so I put everything in there. Okay, so we can go on to the drum, right? So I got this sample pack from Liza. Liza is one that produces for Diamond Platinums at Wasafi. This is what he used for that My African Beauty. So I got that snare. It goes like this. It's really simple. And then I put a clank in there so that it just seconds the, so it sounds like that, so it just seconds that, yeah, the snare. And the next thing that I put was this, it's called a chuck, I don't know, it's just some funny name, just to add a high end. And then there's this can tom. And then the hi-hat, I just put a straight two-step hi-hat. And then I put a snare. And then this cheese. And then I put my string up for about 18%. And then the kicks, I stacked up 2 kicks here. So the bass kick is this. It's called a CRAH kick. I don't know. So it's got the bass and a bit of thump. So I put in this. It's a 707 kick from Kashmir. It's called a top kick. Yeah. So it doesn't have lows. So that's the trick. You put the top kick and then the thump and the bass from the low kick, so together they sound like this, quite thick. Yeah, so that's it. The drums combined, everything sounds like this. So moving on to our playlist, I first put this part by itself and the drums without the kicks, yeah, for the intro part. So this is interesting. I got this sample. If you know your dancehall very well, this came from Elephant Man, Higher Level. So I took it from there, sampled it. It's allowed. Yeah, so what else do I have in my playlist? I have a Crush. This is an orchestral crush. Yes, by Kashmir. Yeah. So it's there on like after every 4 bars and these mini hits. So I made them short with my out so that they don't extend since they're going cha cha cha. So yeah, what is this? Oh yeah, there's this thing. Okay, yeah, it's just a lid that I put. It's it comes in later on around 13 to 17. Yeah. So altogether, this is just it, guys, and this is my automation for my voices. So what I did with these voices in Omnisphere, I put multi-band compressor. Where is it? I put a multi-band compressor, and then what I'm automating on the multi-band compressor. Okay, let's play it so you can see what's going on. So the compressor isn't, the automation isn't kicked in yet. So somewhere here, you start seeing the automation. Yeah, you see that? That's what I'm automating. If you don't know how to do that, basically you right click here and go create automation clip, and then your automation comes here. It will be long, so you set it where you want it to. So mine is starting on 5 and it's going on full as if nothing has happened, the original way it was. The sample was at 9. So this is basically the beat. So we just cut out pieces from this. This is
Tamuka akake kumaflasi kumpare kadanzi kabuda nekumatapi ndisingazoziva hangu kuti nechepapi muchavaona varidzi vacho kuti ndevapi ikaka aka ikaka aka kanchiva aka ikaka aka kanchiva kakaiswa apa kanoiswa apa kozoiswa apa.
So yeah, man, it was a full rhythm. Thanks to everyone that participated in this. Thanks to Avion. Thanks to Nash Pains. You know, they pushed this rhythm pretty far. And the artists came through. Enzo Aisha came through. Natio came through. There's a whole lot of artists that were here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to Chooseport family. And yeah, man, until the next time, this is Mash It Up. DJ Tamuka Mash It Up. Here we go.